Got me some more muscle milk today. I'm really enjoying that. I put some salt in it yesterday and it was really tasty actually. Now I know it has 210 sodium anyways, but like because I keep forgetting to bring my Soleil water. Yeah. I have some more green and black olives. I have my half of an avocado that's starting to brown, but I did remember a fork today. And then I brought 2 cans of tuna, but guess who's not eating that? Because guess who forgot their can opener? Wow, today is going to officially suck. So guess who is going to the store to get something to eat because I'm hungry. All right, so what I got, I got an ice drink. It is the strawberry watermelon. I got a Quest bar, the cookies and cream, and I got this carving board turkey. So that is what I will be eating. All right, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm cooking dinner. It's really hard to cook dinner for one person. I'm used to cooking dinner for everybody. So right now I just have some leftover ground beef that I am throwing into the frying pan, and I've seasoned it with, what did I season it with? I seasoned it with my Fresh Jax Grill Master burger seasoning, as well as the Fresh Jax toasted onion seasoning, which, oh my god, when I run out of that, it's gonna be a sad day. I'm gonna have to reorder. Love this stuff. I do have a code in the description box if you do try Fresh Jax and you want to save. I do get a little bit back. If you buy, I get money towards me. It helps support my channel, helps me grow. So I also put some garlic salt in it. I'm not really sure what I want to do. I just know I'm cooking the meat. Not sure. I don't know what I want to do. What would you do? What do you do? I got some provolone cheese out. So this cheese, I stopped eating cheese for a while. It's moldy. That sucks. But I mean, I did have that cheese for a while. The kid's not here and stuff. It wasn't going to get eaten. I have a video coming up on my pickles, but I ate all my pickles today. Not just me, I brought them to work today and everybody loved them. Can't wait for that video to come out. Looks like my Soleil water is done. Nice and clear. I need to take some of that. I think I'm just going to make like a cheeseburger salad. I got my sugar-free ketchup. I got some mayo and some mustard. Probably put some pickles on it. Shred up some lettuce. I don't know, you guys. I just kind of want to watch like a movie or something and just relax and enjoy myself. I have wine here, but this wine is so old. If you watch one of my old videos, you'll see like when I was trying to open this, the cork wouldn't take it out. And so I had to push the cork down in it. So now I don't want to drink it because there's been a cork in it for like 4 months. I don't know, just me. I don't know why I still have it. I don't have any other alcohol. I don't really drink alcohol too often, and then when I want it, I can't get it. And then maybe I will close out the day with a snack pack. You never know, just if you're in the mood for a snack pack. I'll get with you when I'm done cooking and show you the final result. Oh, something really funny. I'll try to include this, or and it's still on the floor here. Next, there is a piece of celery and a piece of cheese on my carpet. I dropped this piece of cheese out of the refrigerator when I was looking for other cheese. And I was like, oh, Link, you want this cheese? And I unwrapped it and I gave it to him. Now, I don't eat these singles. The kids do. And he acted like he wanted to try to give it to him. He acted so weird about it. Now, he takes everything. He would not take this piece of cheese at all. Here it lays. He won't let me take it because he pretends he still wants it. So then I had some celery in the refrigerator I was going to throw out. And I went to throw it away, and he grabbed it out of my hands. He took off running with it. He ate like 3 pieces of celery, but he won't eat that cheese. Are you keto? Linkovich? Are you keto, buddy? Are you keto? Are you keto, buddy? Are you keto? He's like, don't touch that piece of cheese. I'll eat it when I want to eat it. All you gotta do is threaten him that you're gonna take it from him and then he'll eat it. Although he still didn't eat it. He just folded it in half. He really hates that cheese. Why do you watch me? I just recorded my dog eating a piece of cheese. And I'm asking you guys to give me more watch hours. Oh my gosh, you guys. Alright, my meat is looking like it's almost done. I'm going to have to drain it because this meat has a lot of fat. And I usually don't because you don't usually get that much fat in it. But this one, yep. Okay, so I'll be back. The day with this. This is a total of 4 carbs. 4 net carbs. All that meat, all that lettuce, all that pickle. Then there's 2 pieces of provolone cheese, mayo, sugar-free mustard, and sugar-free ketchup and some mustard. This is so good. I love it. Look at this. This is a nice big bowl, nice meal, nice and full. Probably not going to have anything after that because this goes over my protein by about 6 or 7 grams and over on my calories by 10. So overall, pretty good keto day. And I'm not overly hungry, so I may not even eat all of this. If I don't, I'll come back on and let you know. Otherwise, have a great day, guys.